Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve network problem on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on setting. When you click on the setting, from here you have to scroll like this to general and management option. Okay, so you just keep scrolling and here will be general and management. See, here it is. Just click on it. When you click on it, from here again you have to scroll on the down and click on reset option. When you click on the reset, here you can see the first option is the reset all settings, second option is the reset network settings, third option is the reset accessibility settings. Okay, so here you have to move on the second options on reset network setting. Okay, when you click on it, you can see under the reset network settings it says this will reset all network type setting including those for it just included some points. Okay, it says a Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem, but it will reset all the networks. Okay, it will reset all the networks. Example, not example, it should be included, but it included only some points. Okay, it will reset all network. It means like hotspot problem, mobile data problem, internet problem. So network, you know only network. Okay, you just need to tap on reset setting. Again click on reset. When you click on the reset, it will not harm your data or the privacy. Example, photos and videos, it will not be deleted. Just click on reset and it will solve your problem. Okay, the network problem on your mobile phone. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.